Hey guys, we're taking a look at the Ionic hair dryer by Kerong. This is pretty much a duplicate in looks for the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. However, there are some differences, but it is a much more affordable option. So the looks in it really look similar in color and design. It has similar detachable hair attachments. So you've got the one for curly hair, you've got one for a more intense blow, and for like giving you a better blowout. So those little detachable parts are similar in size and shape. However, they are not magnetic. You attach those yourself. It does have similar settings to the Dyson, so it's got a hot wind, warm wind, and cold wind, and then of course the on-off. Power of the motor on it is pretty fast. I do find this more powerful than other blow dryers I've had, and it is meant to reduce hair breaking and improve static electricity as well as it just being more mild on your hair than other blow dryers. So that is very much similar to the Dyson. Overall, a fraction of the price. I really did enjoy this. However, it is not quite as heavy duty as the Dyson itself, but a great alternative. Definitely check it out.